Hello, welcome to Ashton's Tech Support. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use continuity camera on a Mac, and I'm going to include desk view. If you're not familiar with what continuity camera is, it lets you use your iPhone camera as a webcam for your Mac. So to get started, go ahead and unlock your phone, and we're going to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, you're going to go down to General, and right about here you're going to see something that says AirPlay and Handoff. Go ahead and open that. And down here in this section, you're going to see continuity camera. If it's not already on, turn it on. If it is on, leave it on. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm going to stop screen recording on my iPhone. Then I'm going to open here and I'm going to go to Photo Booth. There is no connected camera. You might run into this issue depending on what application you're using. If this happens, close it, get a lightning cord, plug it into your Mac, and then plug it into your phone. Yep, it realizes. I'm going to open Photo Booth. I'm getting a black screen. That's because my camera is pointed down. So if I lift it up, I can say, hello, it's me. And then I can put it up there on the tripod, which is what I'm going to do. Ooh, it doesn't like to stretch that far. I need longer lightning cables. Okay, there I am. I'm on the Mac. If I wanted to enable video effects, you have this option in these three bars up here. So how to get there, it's Control Center, I believe. You click on video effects, and here we go. So I'm going to disable all of them. This is what it'll look like normally before you enable that. I'm going to do center stage. So it uses the camera to focus in on me. I can go all the way back here and I can kind of move around. The camera might follow me. Oh, yeah, now it's following. Still following, still following. Ooh, I kicked the iPad. Ooh, okay. If I go closer in, it should realize that, and I can move around. That center stage, I can enable portrait mode, so it blurs out the background, and then I can do studio light. Ooh, studio. Now, the coolest feature is desk view. So let's say you are teaching a class or something, and you want to be able to show your desk, but you don't want to have a separate camera. Click desk view. So it now shows what's done here. So I'm going to pull up my desk. I'm going to say, start desk view. Go ahead and bring this little book over here. But look, my hands are a little distorted, especially if I start tilting down, so you really need to keep things flat. So if I'm writing out something, desk view. So you can see what I'm writing on the paper, it just really does need to be flat. Now let's switch back to the iPad camera. Look how far away this is. If I wanted to use my actual desk, I couldn't. I'm lucky because I have this pull-out thing, but if you don't, desk view is kind of inconvenient right now. They need to be able to have a thing where it can angle down. Let's review. To use continuity camera, you're going to open your iPhone, you're going to go to Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff. The last option is continuity camera. Turn that on. Then you're going to go and you're going to head over to your Mac. Open any photo application. If it's not using your camera that on your iPhone, close the application, connect your Mac to your iPhone via cord. Open another camera application. You should be now seeing your iPhone. To access video effects, on the top right on your taskbar, open Control Center, you have video effects. To do desk view, it's the bottom one. That's how to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video on Ashton's Tech Support. If it was helpful, leave a like. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you think a friend needs to see this, share it. If you have any comments, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Toodles!